Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning channel. My name is Ava, and today I'll help you learn how to speak English quickly and fluently. English is a very useful language. It helps you travel, work, and meet new people. Speaking English well can open many doors for you. The first strategy is immersive practice. To learn English fast, you should hear and see it every day. So, listen to English music, watch English movies and TV shows, and read simple English books and articles. Make sure to watch movies and TV shows with English subtitles. This will help you understand and learn new words. You can also find podcasts or audiobooks about things you enjoy. This makes learning fun and easy. The second strategy is active speaking practice. To speak English well, you need to practice speaking often. The more you speak, the better you get. Find a friend who speaks English. You can teach them your language, and they can help you with English. Apps like Tandem and HelloTalk can help you find a partner. Look for English-speaking clubs online or in your area. These clubs let you practice speaking with others who are also learning. Use apps like Duolingo or Babbel that listen to your speech and help you improve. Talk to Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant in English. Ask them questions and have simple conversations. The third strategy is building vocabulary and grammar. Learning new words is important. Try to learn a few new words every day and use them in sentences. Here are some techniques to do so. Use flashcards or apps like Anki to remember new words. Seeing words again and again helps you learn them. Learn new words by reading and listening to English. This helps you see how words are used in real life. Good grammar is also important. Focus on basic grammar rules and practice them. Use simple grammar guides and online tools like Grammarly to help you learn. The fourth strategy is consistent practice and patience. Learning a language takes time. Set small, easy goals. For example, learn 5 new words a day or speak English for 10 minutes every day. Practice a little bit every day. This helps you remember what you learn and makes learning a habit. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn and get better. Celebrate your progress. Even small steps are important and will keep you motivated. Here is a recap of key points. To learn English quickly and fluently, surround yourself with English, practice speaking often, build your vocabulary and grammar, and be consistent. Keep practicing, stay positive, and don't worry about mistakes. Every day you are getting better. If you enjoyed this lesson, please follow and subscribe to our channel. We have more content for you, including stories, conversations, grammar lessons, and immersive practice. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.